What's up, family members, and today you're welcome to another edition of the Nkeng Stevens Hold Hands Movement. Today I'm very happy. I don't know why, I'm just happy. Even though we have a lot of killings back here in Cameroon, Boya especially, it's sad to see people die every day in front of you. We're praying God should intervene. I pray for all the dead souls, for all those who have died. I pray for you, and may God see your souls to heaven. Rest in peace. So let's take away the sorrow with some exciting and very exciting tips. Today it's gonna be special because I'm gonna show you my technique on finishing music videos, doing music videos, and you want your music videos to be soft and sharp. Just go down, subscribe, and follow me along as I walk you through to my secrets, to my tips on how to make videos soft and sharp. So let's go. I'm gonna do this in two programs: DaVinci Resolve for those using DaVinci Resolve, and obviously Premiere Pro for those using Premiere Pro, because I know not everyone it's opportune to use DaVinci Resolve because of the specifications. I just did this right now because of the tutorial. So this is a video of Daphne, my lover. The link is gonna be on the description box below. It was shot some few months back and the feedbacks were really impressive. And right over here is a video of Xmaleya featuring Mings. The video, we did the video some few months back. The links are gonna be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and watch for yourself. Okay, so let's finish up the video. I create a new note, drop my Cosmo plugin. Right away the video seems very smooth. Take a look. This is before and this is after. Before and after. So what you do right now is just do some finer touches. I'll come over here to Cosmo Show Selection. I want to make sure I select just the skin because I just want the skin to be soft and smooth. So I'll focus on just the skin, then soften the skin a little bit more, like so. I could come over to the skin color because to me it's a little bit reddish, so I could just change it to a little bit more warm, a little bit more green yellowish, like so. Let's say 15. So just play around with it till you get to your taste. You also want to make the video a little bit sharp. So how do you do that? I create another note, come over to my Sharpen, I come over to the radius, I bring it down to 0.47. you can see that it's sharp already. You can see that. I don't know if you can take a look at it. This is before, this is before and after, before and after. Make sure you don't take it too much, like so. Make sure you don't take it down too much because it's not gonna look good. So you can just keep it at 0.7 or 0.44. Then right over here at the blur, just bring it out to Sharpen. Take up the scaling to about 0.28 or something, like, or 0.31. yes, and you can see how that looks already. So let's just take a look before and after, before and after. To the next image, yeah, we'll do the same thing. So I'm gonna show you a little secret. Please don't tell anyone because it's my secret. I actually found out this tip myself. No, I've never seen it in any video, but I just found out it helps to make the video more clean. I don't know, it's just a feeling. So don't tell anybody, just do it yourself. Okay, let me show you on how to do that. Highlight both clips. Let's say you have all of your files, your clips here. Highlight everything, then go into group, create a new group, create a new group. Yep, create a new group. Let's take it off so we can have more room to play with. Come over here, go to group post clip. Don't forget, we have not yet desaturated our shadows, so we're just going to desaturate shadows right over here. And why not highlight? Okay, come over to color, go to under notes, add splitter combiner note. You see something like this, right? So this is the RGB RGB notes. DaVinci Resolve just created 3 notes, which is the RGB notes. So each note signifies each color in your image or your footage. So this is a red, green and blue channel. Okay, so I'll come over to the red channel, come over to scaling, go to note sizing, click on it, come to the pan, put it on, let's say 2%, go over to the blue channel, put it to -2%. Take a look. I don't know if you see the difference. It kind of makes it look more like it's distorted a little bit, but then has some nice feeling to it. Actually, that's how I like my videos to look. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but it's something that really looks nice to me. And to me, it's just kind of nice. It just makes it looks a little bit cleaner. I don't know. It all depends on you. If you like, fine. If you don't like, just leave it. But I just like it. Okay, so let's move over to Premiere Pro. I rushed and did this almost the same grade in Premiere Pro. I'm not very efficient when it comes to color grading in Premiere Pro, so hope you understand that. Same software, Cosmo. Right over to Cosmo. I'm gonna go to skin selection, make sure I focus on just the skin like we said in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, right over there, it's a little bit reddish. We want to make it to be warm. Okay, cool. Now we want to make it sharp. In Premiere Pro, you just have to come over to Effects, go to Blur and Sharpen, go to on Sharpen Mask, click on it, and it's sharp already. So you can just put it to, let's say 100. Put the radius to 1.3. Take the threshold and just push it a little bit like so, and you have your image soft and sharp. So now let's do the same RGB technique we did in DaVinci Resolve. Let me try to recreate it here. I'll just duplicate both images 2 times. Come over to the first one, click on color balance, put it on the first, second and third. And the first one, make the green and blue channel 0, 0. Second one, make the red and blue channel 0. And the third one, make the red and green 0. Come over to the red channel, put it at screen. The same with the second video screen. Then you can now scale the image a little. Come over to scaling, let's say 100.2. Right to the last one, 100.4. Good. So you can take a look on how it looks like. So that's how I do my finish ups in most music videos. For those who found this helpful, just go ahead and apply it on your videos. Feel free. For those who didn't find it helpful, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for sharing the video to others so people can learn. Once again, I'm happy to be here with you. I'm happy to share this knowledge with you. Those who haven't subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe so you get every latest videos from my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. All the links are going to be on the description box below. Don't forget, go ahead, ask your questions and I'm going to do a video tutorials on them. Thank you once more and keep on holding hands as we take another shot.